Hey Hillary, this is Caroline. Just wanted to check in with you to see how the teacher practice trackers are coming. So I wanted to make this quick recording in case you had a difficult time finding it. So first, all these things that I shared, if you have a hard time finding it, they're in the math department folder, in the Anacostia folder, and the TLI big folder. So if you click on this, yay, and it's coming. Well, it's going to take us to this folder right here, Teacher Practice and Student Goals Tracker. So I want to show you quickly what's in this. Let me make my screen a little bit bigger. All right, so you said you wanted to do lesson study, and I think that's really, really smart. So this is one of the ways that we can look at that, if it's going to appear. It doesn't look like it wants to. So we broke down lesson study into a couple of different buckets. One, lesson collaboration, peer observation, and we can look at how we're going to calculate that. And then who's participating in data debrief and who's not. These are both binary data sets. So in data debrief, either you did or you didn't. So it either will be 1 or 0. So if you look at the top, you have the teacher practice goals. Excuse me, no, the math practice goals at the very top. Okay. And there's a space for the item analysis, and I'll show you what that looks like in a second. So based on this cycle, you can see what we're really doing strong based on the data. If it's lesson collaboration, areas of growth, either it could be in peer observation or data debrief. I would have you think about if there's a 0 in any of the these columns, then it's an area of growth. Okay, because this is just, are you participating in the practice? Then if you come over here, this is a space for teachers to actually track the exit tickets aligned to these math practice goals. So you put the name here. Right now it's at a scale of 0 to 100. That can change. But all you want the teacher to do is say, all right, this child got a 78, then he got 100, then he got 100, then he got here, he's got a 56. Okay, just for example, that's what John Doe got. Now if you want to go back to see as a department how the whole team is doing, then it sums up all of these for this particular math practice standard and says, for the math practice standard of this, our average is a 99.9%. Okay, so this right here is summing up how students are performing overall. This right here is saying each individual student with this particular math practice goal, how did they perform on the exit ticket? Okay, so I hope that is a quick explanation of the tracker if you had any questions. Now, you're probably wondering how we're going to get all that data. So this is a walkthrough checklist. When it loads, it's loading. Loading now. Loading soon. Perfect. And it talks about all the indicators that you shared were important about a gallery walk, thinking about how the space is planned, how the structure is planned, how the teacher's actually executing the strategy. And it's built around the particular math practice goal of error analysis and critiquing the reasoning of others. And this can help teachers actually write that procedure for that lesson plan together. So if you have any questions about this, don't hesitate to call 202-277-6215 or shoot me an email, but I hope this adds just a little bit of clarity if you had some fuzziness or some confusion about it, okay? I hope you're having a wonderful day and see you very, very soon. Da, da, da.